Question 1. A student is trained to run in a marathon race. When she runs, her muscles use aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Part A. Which statements are correct about these two types of respiration? Tick 2 boxes. So the key thing here is the fact that it does have to be 2 boxes that we're ticking. So 2 of these things are correct. Okay, so let's look at each of them in turn. Well, the first one says that anaerobic transfers more energy than aerobic. Now we know that is untrue. Aerobic transfers more energy. Therefore, we can cross that one out and say that is definitely not the right one. Both aerobic and anaerobic are exothermic, as in they release heat energy. Well, yes, that is true. So that could be one of ours. We'll leave it there though, because we'll have a look at what some of the other ones are. Both processes release carbon dioxide. That is incorrect. Anaerobic respiration, animals does not release carbon dioxide. Both processes take in heat energy. Again, that is also incorrect. They actually release heat energy. And glucose finally is used in both processes. Well, that is also correct. So through that process of elimination, we've now got 2 correct statements. We'll just look back up and double check. Yep, both of those statements we've said are correct. So put 2 ticks in there. And that scores the 2 marks available for this question. Part B. The student does several training runs before her marathon race. Figure 1 shows the lactic acid concentration in her blood during her first training run and during the first part of the race. We can see there figure 1 with those 2 lines for the first training run and during the race. B part 1. Use a graph to explain why a student can run more efficiently when she has trained for a race. Well, the key difference between the first training run and during the race is about the lactic acid concentration and how it takes longer to form, as we can see here, and also the fact that it doesn't reach as high a level. So therefore we can put those 2 points in our answer. So in the actual race, lactic acid does not start to increase so early and does not reach as high a level as in the race. Therefore, that gives us 1 mark there. As lactic acid causes muscle cramps, that gives us a 2nd mark. Less lactic acid means less cramp, so more efficient running. So what we've successfully done there is combined the data from the graph with our knowledge of what lactic acid does to give us 3 marks for that question. Part 2. Describe what happens to the lactic acid in the blood after the student stops running. So this is a recall question, isn't it? It's not actually using the data anymore. Well, the lactic acid is sent to the liver, where it is converted to glucose using oxygen. So that scores us 1 mark for saying it is sent to the liver, 1 mark for saying it's converted to glucose, and 1 mark for the fact that it's using oxygen. This idea of oxygen debt that you might have heard of. So there's 3 points, score 3 marks available for this question.